Hello, a very good afternoon. My name is Egeru Simon, and today we are going to go through introduction to Microsoft Excel. Since we are in Microsoft Excel, we go and open it. You can come here to this start icon. If you don't want to use that, you can come and search for it. Like, let me search for mine. After searching for it, it is here, Excel. Click on it. After clicking on it, it will open. After opening, come to blank. After coming to blank, it's already open. Now, this Excel, it's different from Word. In this Excel, it operates in sheets, whereas in Word we deal with the pages, page 1, page 2, page 3, and so on, depending on the number of pages you want to create for your work. And someone can ask me, how can I create sheets as I'm dealing with this Excel? You come to this plus sign, you click on it, it will create for you another sheet, and that is sheet 2, as you can see. If you want more, you can still go to that plus sign, you click on it, it will take you to sheet 3. Now this sheet, they are arranged in rows and column. The rows are this one, range in numbers. These ones are row. You can see row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, row 5, row 7, and so on. Whereas the columns are this alphabetical order. We can see A, B, C, D, and so on. Now, these rows here, the row and column, they meet to form a cell. Like we can see a cell reference in C1, that is a cell reference in C1. If I bring it here, it will be a cell reference in F3. And now if you master this rows and column, performing calculation in this Microsoft Excel is very simple. Like now I can put my numbers here, assuming I want to add something. I can put here maybe 40, then in this next one I put maybe 60, and I want to add. I come to cell C, that is where I want to add them from. Now whenever you're doing any calculation, even if you want to add, the first thing is first of all to press equal sign. After pressing equal sign, I'm adding A1 plus I press my plus sign, and B1. After doing that, I enter. It will give me answer. For sure, if I add 40 plus 60, I get it. This is how accurate this Excel is. I can do still more. Like now, if I want to get the average, like I can now put some numbers here. The one I want their average, I can put 50, I enter. I put 60, I enter. I put 70, enter that one. Then I put 2. Lastly, let me stop in this 20, but I want to their average. Whenever I'm dealing with any calculation, I start with the equal sign first. I come here, I press my equal sign. Since I want average, I write the word average. After writing my average, I open my brackets. I'm getting the average from cell A to cell D. I will put to get for me average from A1 to I want it to, it will be in D1. I close my curly bracket. I close my curly bracket. After closing, then I enter. My average is already there. Average of 50, 60, 70, and 20, we get 50. That is how accurate Excel operates. If you want to do more sum, you can still follow the same procedures. Remember, first of all, to put equal sign. If you want the sum, equal sign, sum, then you deal with the rows and column correctly, and you will get still a correct answer. Very accurate and very fast. Now, if I want to save my work, I'll go to File. After File, Save As. After saving as, I want to save it under Document. Enter there. I change here from this Excel workbook. I come to this Excel 97 2003 workbook for the opening. If I send to maybe another person, you will also open easily using his computer. Thank you very much, Misha. Thank you.